Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Steam error code E84 quickly and easily so you can log in and use Steam without any issues. This error usually happens due to login problems or server-related issues. First, double-check your username and password and try resetting your password if needed. Next, check if Steam servers are down by searching online, because if there's a server issue, you just need to wait until it's fixed. After that, switch your internet connection. Try using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi or the other way around to avoid network restrictions. You should also disable any VPN or proxy service, since Steam may block login attempts from certain locations. Another useful step is to restart Steam completely or run it as administrator to avoid permission issues. Finally, clear Steam cache by going into Settings and selecting Clear Download Cache. After following these steps, error E84 should be resolved and Steam should work normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.